Mom's house, 2267 Fifth Avenue. That's me. It is Sunday, November 20th, and this is my mom's dining room. And we're now going to go into the kitchen. Oh, look! Who's here? In the kitchen. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi, Doug. So, welcome to the kitchen of the Gerry family. And, Mother. Mother. Hi, Doug. Tell us about your family roots. We need this on camera.
I don't really know much about it.
Well, say something.
Mostly England and like another part of Europe. That's about it.
Amy,
Hi.
what do you think? We need to praise the Lord. Word.
Yes, Tostitos.
We got another.
Hi.
Hey, John, you want to make sure?
Stay tuned for the next crime scene.
This crime scene coming up.
Doug, how did you like church this morning?
We only got part, we didn't hear great preach, that's an experience. Probably
Okay,
because
what's
the
that?
sound was
It was
so
an
loud.
unusual service, wasn't it?
Doug is cooking bacon. He took over my job.
A lot of times, you know, he'll have an altar call.
Doing it very well.
That is true.
Does your service follow a sequence, or does it
Yep.
change?
Yes.
Oh, it doesn't, some, a lot of times the way it does change it.
Yes. Oh my gosh, my battery's going down. Or the tape's running out. Or something. Oh, we got 4 minutes left. Oh, how do we want to spend these 4 minutes?
I think Karen should,
Still a dance?
some hip hop.
Okay.
I'm gonna take what that girl did.
Yeah.
Show me what it was in the
I want
crime
to see
scene.
it. I want to see it.
Hi.
Hi.
Karen's gonna do some hip hop. for
Here,
us.
let's show me some of that footwork.
She's gonna show us again some hip hop. She wasn't doing that.
Well.
Word. Word.
Word.
Say word. You know what I'm saying?
Footwork.
Maggie, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's like
And
this.
it's like all wiggly.
Oh,
Okay, back to bacon.
Oh,
Huh? Back to you. What? Huh?
I've never done this.
Hey, there's Maggie.
Maggie. She's in my
Hi,
First one's
Maggie.
gonna be really
Maggie,
interesting.
say hi.
Where's Master Toby?
Master Toby is on the move somewhere.
Somewhere
Loose.
He's on the loose.
in the loose.
He
Cool.
was scoping up Doug's room again.
Here's what?
Scoping
Yeah,
out
he likes
Doug's
it in
room.
Scoping out Doug's room.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we're gonna sign off. We're just here's the fridge. Mom, can I get in your way a little bit more? Can I just take over here?
Very intrusive camera work there.
Hey, we're gonna have some waffles. Let's see 'em, Mom.
No, this one, I messed it up.
Yeah, I want to see it.
No,
Oh, Mom is very
yeah, because
adamant.
I think there's something wrong with it.
Okay. All right, we'll let that go.
What about the bacon? Did you get the bacon?
Of course I did.
Okay.
Doug, you want to sign off?
No.
Darn.
Running.
Oh, just keep going?
It takes forever.
We're done.
Right to the end of the tape.
You think I should go
Can't
there?
waste any tape.
No. Well, do you want to take a house tour? Why don't you give me a house
Gotta
tour?
do this,
Come on.
House tour?
hey.
Come on, house tour.
Okay.
Oh, I already went that way.
I'm setting my drink down.
Oh,
Folks, don't.
okay.
Karen's a little pushy.
Just a little bit. Oh,
This is driving me
okay.
crazy.
Let's go upstairs.
Stairs.
Stairs.
Something we're all familiar with. Or should
I've got
be.
1 minute left, so we better hurry this tour up.
Okay.
Well, I think we can skip this.
Guest quarters.
Guest quarters, because that's a servant area.
Stairs.
Stairs, more stairs. Ow, oh, ow.
Bedrooms.
Bedrooms. There's
This
Amy's.
is the cleanest bedroom.
And what? Here's some.
Karen's.
Well, it's Amy's or Annie's room. But look at here. There's a lot of Care Bears. But look who stares at me in the morning. Oh,
It's Harry Kim from Star Trek.
yikes. But also, there's a nice pound puppy. Okay. Oh, check it out. Here we gotta go to Doug's room. Because I gotta show my little thing I made for Mom. Got 0 minutes. I made that for my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently I got 0 minutes here.
Wow.
There's Deck's room. There's looking outside. It's a
Looking
nice,
out into the world.
looking out into the world. It's a beautiful day here in Youngstown, Ohio.
Restroom facilities.
Restroom facilities. Mom's bedroom.
Mom and Dad's.
There it is. There's more stairs. Hey, look who's out here if I don't trip and fall down the stairs trying to do this. There's the car. That's Jermaine. He's out there. There's the backyard. Now that's a big backyard. Remember the yard I showed you earlier? It's a little, well, it was a little small.